page 13.
Okay.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, NANABOOZHOO. Go ahead, sweetie.
Meanwhile, high above Cabacona Lake, Migazi and Mamengwa were drifting on the winds and discussing high-minded ideas once again. Migazi stretched out his massive wings and comfortably soared in slow, ever-widening circles as the tiny monarch struggled against the mid-afternoon breeze. And there's Migazi, and he's saying, "Bonjour, Mamengwa." Hello, butterfly. Bonjour, Mamengwa. Mamengwa took one long, thoughtful look at Migazi and finally said,
You know, you don't have to settle for being just an eagle.
Migazi said nothing. He wasn't insulted. His attention was on a shimmering walleye, 100 feet below. Mamengwa was undeterred. He said,
Take a look at me. Once I was a humble caterpillar. Then, as soon as I knew I was in a healthy place, psychologically, physically, and spiritually, I cocooned myself away from all family and friends. Really spent some me time processing my childhood and getting in touch with my feelings. When I finally emerged, I was transformed.
Migazi rolled his eyes. He had heard the story many times before.
I went from being the ugliest little worm in the forest to the most beautiful creature of all. And there he is, Mamengwa.
He didn't think of it as bragging. Mamengwa truly believed everything he said.
Granted, I'm sure being the big, bad, bald eagle has its advantages. You're a heck of a fisherman, and your face is all over the humans' money, but you could be so much more.
Far below, little Cutie scanned the afternoon sky until he caught sight of Migazi gliding along effortlessly.
Okay, now what?
He thought. Now what, he says. Just then, a familiar voice called out from somewhere inside the dense undergrowth of the forest. That's a pretty good spot.
Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest by Michael Lyons, a rock star cartoonist.
Okay.
Come back tomorrow, we'll pick it up from there. Miigwechka bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. My name is Natasha. Natasha Nindijannikas. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Oh, Miigwech.
And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin. Min.
Mino
wa.
Hoa.
Hoa.
Give us a thumbs up if you like the show. And hit the subscribe button right about there.
I think it's over there, yeah. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid.